Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about how we can use the mail merge option in Microsoft Word. So it is a unique feature of the Microsoft Word where you can create the multiple letters with the help of the mail merge option. Let us first open Microsoft Word, and by default we are having the document number 1 and we are having a page, and just click on the mailings tab and then you will click on the start mail merge. So when you click on start mail merge, you are getting a letter, email, messages, envelope, labels, directory. So these options you are getting. Okay, so click on the step by step mail merge wizard, right? So right hand side you can find there is a pan. Mail merge pan gets open, and total you will be having 6 steps. So step 1 of 6. So if you complete all these 6 steps, you can create multiple letters. Now this is the first step where you need to select what type of document you are working on. So I am working on the letter, so I have selected letter. So by default it is selected. If it's not selected, you can select the letter and then click on the start document. Next is, it will ask you how do you want to set up your letter, whether you want to continue with the current document or you want to select it from template or you want to use any existing document. What I do, I will use this current document, okay, but I didn't type so far any letter, so let me copy. So I have already one letter. So letter should be without to address. Let me copy this and paste it here. Okay, so I am not mentioning any to address. Let me write only TO2. Okay, leave the to address blank. Okay, so this is the letter for my staff members. I am greeting the New Year wishes to my all the employees. Okay, so this is the letter for my employees. So now I want to create the multiple letters to my employees, those who are working, and I want to send it individually. So what I do, I will use the current document to set up my mail merge, and then I will click on the next. So when I click on the next, it will ask me select the recipient. So recipient means whom I am sending. So I am sending to my employees, but I don't have any database right now. Assume that so far you have not created any database of your employee. Okay, so you don't have any records. If you have records, so already use an existing list is selected, so you can click on the browser and you can choose the database. Okay, if it is not there, if it is in Outlook contacts, you may select the Outlook contact and choose the contact folder. If you are looking to create a new list, select the third, type a new list and click on the create. When you click on the create, it will display new address list. In this new address list, you just click on the customize column to customize the column. So in this dialog box, you choose the field names which you don't want, like title, delete it, yes. Address to, delete, yes. Company name, I don't want, so click yes. Okay, home phone, delete, yes. Similarly, I don't want mailing address, so click yes. Work phone, delete, yes. Okay, like this. Now I have first name, last name, address, city, state, zip code and country. So let me click on OK. So I have only these fields. Now take the entries of your employees record. Assume that I will take few entries. Say the first name Chetan, last name Shendra. So his address, say Shiv Nagar, city is Bidar, state is Karnataka, Okay, zip code is 585401, and country is the India. Okay, let me press the tab key, then shift to the next, and then here type the another name, say Naveen, surname Ubale. So Panjagutta, say Hyderabad. Okay, state Telangana. So say 566008 is the zip code. Okay, so I'm just taking it for example. So India, like this. Okay, next Shivanand Gorge. So address is Baswangudi, Bangalore, state Karnataka, 5600 say 89. Okay, let me have only these three records. Okay, like this, if you are having n number of employees, take all the entries of your employees in this database. Now if you click on OK, so it will create a database and ask you to type a number. So where do you want to save this? So select the location first. Okay, in the NITS folder, right? So type EMP database. Okay, EMP database, save it. Okay, now thereafter it will show you the mail merge recipient. These are the records. Okay, so among these records, if you don't want to send to someone this letter, so just unclick this. Okay, now assume that this Naveen Ubale, I am not sending the letter to him. Okay, otherwise I don't want to send the letter to him. Just untick it and click on OK. So only the two letters will be sent and the third letter will not be sent. Okay, like this you may choose all the options, right? So all the tick marks are present means you are sending to all. So click on the OK. Okay, so this is the end of the selection of the recipient. Then click on the next button to write a letter. Okay, so when you click on the next line, so you will be getting write your letter. So already I have written a letter. So what I do, I will click on more items, right? So here I will double click on first name, I will double click on last name, I will double click on address, city, state, zip code, country. Okay, and close this dialog box. Now what I want a space between first name and last name. Okay, and after the last name the address should be shifted to the next line. Thereafter city to the third line, state, zip code, and country. So I want the country should be in the bracket. So I will take a opening and closing parenthesis for the country. This is how I want to display the two address. Okay, thereafter click on the preview viewer letter to view the preview, right? So this is how I wanted the letter, but there is a Hyderabad Telangana displaying in the same line, but there is no space between city and state. What I do, so just go to last step. Okay, again here just specify the space and click on the preview letter. Now you can preview your letter. Okay, again it is coming like this, just put the space here. Okay, now complete the mail merge, right? So you can able to view only one letter, right? So I want all the three letters. So then you should click on the print to print all the letters, all the three letters, or you can click on edit individual letters. Okay, so all option is by defaultly selected. Just click on OK to complete the mail merge. one more document is created and you will be having the 3 letters. Say if the first record, as we added the Chetan Shindre's record, so first letter is created for Chetan Shindre, and you can go to the second page, it is for Naveen Ubale, and for the third page we have created Shivanand Gorge's letter, like this. Okay, so like this you can able to create multiple letters at a time using this mail merge option. So kindly like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.